How are you? I think everybody is happy and enjoying, staying healthy. Today I'm again with you all, and today I'll tell you something about the comm skills, which you know is very important. And if really you feel this is very important, whatever I'm telling you, please write on the comment box, share with everybody, so that I can feel, I can know about that what kind of content I should tell you, so that that can be a really very helpful for you, because my motive is to help you, just to tell you the things which really can help you in future also. So always write and please share. So today I'll tell you something about the comm skills. As I already told you in my many of the videos, that comm skill is very important, and if you use the proper words, then only you can connect the people. The importance of interpersonal skills, you know how much it is important in the today's professional world. If you are not having these kind of skills, then professionally you cannot get that much success as much it is required. Generally we do not pay attention on these things, and we think, so okay, I have got the degree, I know the things, that's okay. But the important part of our life, important part of our professional life also, that is our comm skills, that is our interpersonal skills, is being ignored by us. And that I think you should pay attention on that if really you want to do great. So today I am going to tell you something about that how you can say thanks. Because generally what happens, we know we are habitual to say thanks, and whenever someone does anything for us, we say thanks, thank you, thanks. So that doesn't play any important role, that doesn't have any significance, because saying thanks is so easy, but adding something with the thanks can really leave a good impression on others, because that means something special, that means you are showing something special and you are really feeling thanks for that person. So do not say, like, do not fulfill the formalities only saying by okay, thank you, thanks. No, you must know how you can use the thanks, because saying plain thanks and saying thanks with some terms really can reveal a very better impression on others and can help you to connect the people. So here I have written some of the terms, then you can see and you can know, you can note down, you can learn whenever you are saying thanks, then how you are going to use that. See here, like I have written, thanks for your gesture. What is? Whenever someone appreciates you, whenever someone does anything for you, so do not say thanks. Say thanks for your gestures. Or in informal relationship, you can say thanks for your sweet gestures, thanks for your beautiful gestures. You can use some other terms also, because really that really works a lot. And then if you find that someone is really concerned about you and really he is very bothered, so you can say thanks for empathy, and or you can say I appreciate your concern. I appreciate your concern, thanks for empathy, very good terms, and really that will leave a very good impression. And another word you can use, I'm touched. I'm touched. Very nice words. Whenever you say to someone, really he feels very happy, like really you have felt whatever he did for you. So you have said, I'm touched, or you have said, I'm humbled, I'm truly grateful. So the saying like this matters a lot for someone. Then you can say thanks for your kindness. You can say thanks for your words. You can say thanks for your appreciation. Then you can say, like whenever you write any application for job or for any of the things, proposals you write, then you can say thanks in anticipation. Very good saying. Thanks in anticipation. That means in advance you are thanking to someone. So this is a very good term whenever you are writing. So you can say thanks in anticipation. You can say thanks for magnanimity. This is a very good terms when you use. That person whom you will say this thing, that person really will feel, wow, whatever you have said. So he will feel important himself, that whatever he was doing for you, really you have understood that you have understood the significance of that verb. So you have used thanks for magnanimity. You have now, if some person is always helping you, always with you, always stand by you, you must say thanks for being with me, thanks for being always, thanks for being with me. Very good terms, because when you say thanks for being with me, that person feel really, he understands me, and he really feels that if I am with him, really he is feeling I am with him. And then you can say thanks for your acknowledgement. Someone is acknowledging you, you can say thanks for your acknowledgement. So I have written few of the terms that really can help you if you are using with thanks. Whatever someone does for you, anywhere, in formal relationship, informal relationship, any of the person is wishing you on Diwali, on birthday, we have got very used to of that. Like Diwali comes, what we do, we just paste the messages, and we say, we do not concerned about that. So these things are not creating any impression, because now everybody knows that what you are doing. But when you give any special attention to that person, when you give any extra attention to that person, in that case that person will feel the relevance of that message. Otherwise your message will go in vain. So this is the importance of comm skills. This is the importance of communication skills. How you have to use word, and how you have to explain, how you have to express. That a person only will come to know about you when you will explain yourself in words, and you will give special attention to that person. And how you will give special attention? By using these kind of words. So I think this really you must be knowing. You really, I think these terms will help you a lot, and you must know something about that. And in future, I know from now onwards you are not going to use only thanks. You will use these kind of terms while talking to someone, and you will find really a really great significance while using these words. And then you will feel how you will be able to connect the people. And if you really find this video is helpful, please write in the comment box, so that I can prepare these kinds of more video for you all. And again, my wishes are always with you. Thanks, and thanks a lot.